Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. Let's get right to the question. The question is, what are the 10 different levels of disability representatives, and why do they all get paid the same amount? So we went through the first 7. The first 6 are non-legal reps. The 7th is the first time we get to an actual legal rep. And what we're going to be doing is then going to number 8. Here are the first 7, though, just so you have as a recap. Friends and family members, caseworkers, disability advocates, certified disability advocates, law school dropouts, graduates of law school but couldn't pass the bar, and then we get to number 7, which is a lawyer. Now we're going to be doing number 8, which is a federal certified lawyer. This is basically an individual that's registered at the federal level to go ahead and be able to do higher district court, circuit court, Supreme Court based cases. Do you need an attorney that knows how to do that? I would say the bare minimum of what you should be looking for is an attorney who does disability law that is registered to do some federal work. Doesn't have to be all the federal work, because remember, usually the Fed attorneys that do district, circuit, and Supreme, they're usually specialized only in that. And then you have other attorneys that are specialized in just doing initial filing through ALJ or initial filing through appeals counsel. So what you need to realize is that these are two groups usually split into two things. But if you can find an attorney that encompasses all of that, that's really good. Okay, so basically what you need to know is finding somebody who can take your claim from A all the way to Z. That's a good idea. Now, the prior videos that we did, I was explaining why it's good to have a disability attorney represented. At this point, just watch one of the other videos that comes before this video. But now we're talking about highly specialized attorneys that are extremely smart about handling high-level Social Security disability claims. So just keep that in mind. We're now out of the muck, which is the friends and family, the caseworkers, the disability advocates, the certified disability. We're out of that, and we're now into the high-level people at 8 of 10. All right. Why do they get paid the same amount as friends and family who represent you who want a fee? Because that's how it is by statute, 25% up to 6K. So initial filing, recon, and ALJ level, all 25% with a 6K cap. Then you get to appeals counsel, it's just 25%, no 6K cap. And then you guys basically get to the district, circuit, and Supreme Court, which are all EJA fee based, which is equal access to justice fees, which is a totally different system than the original Social Security Administration's based fee system, the 25% of 6K. All right, my name is Attorney Walter Hnot. We're going to be doing number 9 next, and the number 10 doesn't actually even exist. So I'm just giving you that as like a pre-whatever, but it's something that might exist in the future, so I'm just creating it as an option. All right, my name is Attorney Walter Hnot, Disability Resolution. I'll catch you a little bit later, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.